Introducing you Lighting Educational Trainer from AutoEDU, the ultimate hands-on solution for teaching and understanding automotive lighting systems. Built with real OEM components, this trainer allows students to explore a variety of lighting circuits, including headlights, turn signals, brake lights, and hazard warning systems. Designed as a plug-and-train solution, it features a fully functional lighting system with a clear wiring diagram, making it easy to trace electrical connections and understand circuit operations. With fault simulation, students can diagnose and repair common lighting issues. The trainer also includes an integrated radio and speakers, demonstrating how lighting and audio systems interact in modern vehicles. With safe, low-voltage operation, integrated test points, and easy access connectors, the educational trainer provides a structured and practical learning experience for both beginners and advanced learners. Prepare your students for real-world automotive challenges. OBD connection port enables real-time diagnostics using standard automotive scan tools.